Long ago, a merchant was gifted a fragile bird with a melodious voice. He always took care of her and provided rich grains in a silver dish. He had placed her by his bed in a golden cage and became accustomed to listening to her songs in leisure. Once he had to go somewhere for business purpose, where he had to cross a forest, a bird's beloved habitat. So he asked his bird to deliver any message so that he might send her husband. She said, "She is despondent here. The golden palace can't give me the merriment which the freedom in nature can. Please get me rid of here." Next day, he went for his work and reached the forest and conveyed her message, but suddenly he found her husband lying down dead. The surprised merchant returned home and described all the incidents. His bird was dead. That filled him with grief. So he took her out and patted her head to show his last love. Lo and behold, she was alive and flew away by saying that her beloved gave her idea to be free. She was glad now. Moral: freedom is necessary than luxury.